Hi, I'm Brooke Wallace filling in for Max Brantley with your Arkansas Times News headline updates for Friday, July the 12th. Roderick, Talley, a candidate for state representative in District 36, was arrested in June for driving with a suspended license and blocking a roadway after filming a traffic stop in Hope. Talley, 31, who has become a vocal critic of the Little Rock Police Department after his apartment was raided during a no-knock search warrant in August of 2017, said he was visiting his grandparents in Hope when he saw State Trooper Darren Henley pull a driver over for a traffic stop on Peck Circle. In a video recorded by Henley's dashboard camera and shared by KATV, the trooper is shown pulling over the driver for using a suspended license, issuing him a citation, and letting him leave after a brief conversation. Henley then approaches Talley, who had parked his car down the road from the traffic stop and then gotten out of his vehicle to film the interaction on his phone. Talley said he started recording the stop in order to, quote, make sure the young man didn't lose his life, end quote. Henley asks Talley for his license and registration and tells him he's illegally parked on a roadway. Talley initially refuses to provide any ID, saying he hasn't broken any law, and Henley calls for backup before arresting Talley. Talley was charged with driving with a suspended license, impeding traffic by being parked in the roadway, and for, quote, obstructing governmental operations, end quote. After being taken to the Hempstead County Jail, Talley was released the same day on a $655 bond. The video also shows Talley accusing the trooper of racial profiling and threatening lawsuits against Henley and the Hope Police Department. While being transported to jail, Talley curses at the officer and uses a homophobic slur, which Talley says he regrets. Jeremy Hutchinson, the ex-senator who recently pleaded guilty to bribery, conspiracy, and tax fraud charges in federal court, is surrendering his law license. On Thursday, the Arkansas Supreme Court allowed him to surrender his license, citing his guilty pleas and pending disciplinary complaints before the Supreme Court over criminal conduct and civil matters. He also said he wanted to give up his license, quote, in order to avoid the expense, distress, and public embarrassment of a court disbarment action, end quote. Well, that's all your news headlines for today. You can read more on the Arkansas blog. Thanks and have a great weekend.